Hi guys! Today I'm going to make 3 ways of chicken schnitzel. First, I have to do it in breadcrumbs, and the next one I'm gonna use it in matzo meal, and the third one I'm still gonna use it breadcrumbs, but it's different way. So first, I have to make it the seeds sesame schnitzels. Okay, first I prepared already all the ingredients, so it's easy for you guys. To do it. So, okay, this one is a sesame seed. This one is sesame seed. This one is pumpkin seed. This one is coriander seed, but I already washed it. So the aroma will come out. So this one is sesame seed. This one is a black sesame seed, ground cumin, and ground turmeric. But the chicken as well, of course, I cut it already into half. Okay, so we have to put all the ingredients into the breadcrumbs. So all you have to do, all the dried ingredients, is to, and the ground cumin you have to add, you can make it 1 teaspoon, and turmeric you can use as well 1 teaspoon, and you're gonna use salt. You have to use salt for 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. So the breadcrumbs I use is 120 grams. So all you have to do is to mix. While we're doing this, so we have to heat it up the pan. So don't make it really hot, because when you make it really hot, the oil, the tendency, the chicken inside is raw, but the outside is already burnt. I'm gonna use as well a plain flour, and I'm gonna use eggs as well. Okay. So all you have to do is to beat the eggs. Okay, all I have to do now, I'm gonna use my hands, so I'm going to use the gloves. All I have to do now is to first you have to do, I'll get the chicken, dip it into the flour. I'm not gonna use that all for the sesame, because I have to use some of the chicken to other recipes. Okay. Don't cut the chicken really thick, because you're gonna cook it. When you fry it, when they done, inside of your chicken will be raw. So just cut into just like that. But if you think if it is really thick, then cut it a little bit more thinner. Okay. Okay, it's really hot now. So I use olive oil. You can use sunflower oil, you can use olive oil, but normally I use olive oil, so it's healthy. Okay, that's enough. And that's the olive oil. So after here, you have to put it into the mixture for seeds mixture. So all you have to do, check the when it's still not. Make sure the oil not really hot, because you know what's gonna be happening. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think I use on it too. Okay, fine. While we're waiting for this, I'm going to make mixture for the second one ways of making chicken schnitzel. This is a panko. This is a panko. You have to pour it in here. We're going to mix another mixture with mixture. You need this dried chives. You need dried chives. 2 tablespoons. You need the parsley, dried parsley. You need the garlic salt. One teaspoon. But I'm gonna top up garlic powder. Garlic powder, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. Alright, we have to turn it over. I think it's perfect. So we're doing now the mixture for I'm gonna add now the onion granule. 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna add salt. I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon. Okay. All after this to mix. This is a matzo mixture. Okay, let's go back to the frying. This is perfect. One. And 2. Let's put the second batch. Okay. So, while we're waiting for refrying, let's go now to this. So this is the second way how to make the chicken schnitzel, but it's a matzo meal. Okay, we're going to need as well here a flour. I'm gonna use the flour, the same thing, the one we use from the breadcrumbs. For the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna use as well the eggs. Let's get the chicken. With the chicken, first you have to dip us again into the flour. Just check the chicken, the one with the seeds. Otherwise, if you're gonna wait for this, it's gonna take so long the video. So we have to go back to check the chicken seeds. Oh, I think this one is ready. Yeah, it's there. So this is the seeds chicken schnitzel. So we have to going now to doing the matzo chicken schnitzel. First, you have to dip as well the same procedure. Dip it into the flour first. Put in the egg. You can use the same mixture for the flour and the egg because it's only same chicken you have to use. But if it is fish, you use the fish, you can't. You have to use different, otherwise the chicken will taste. Okay. Leave it. Make sure cover with the eggs and with the flour. Okay, let's fry it. Okay, now it's ready to fry. So you have to use again the oil. You can use the oil. You can use the oil the same like when you fry the seeds chicken schnitzel. When you fry for the seeds. But for me, I'm going to put it first. I'm going to change it because it's the same chicken. You can use something. Okay. Like I said, you can use some flour oil or olive oil. Okay, let's fry it. Alright, okay. It's hot. Okay, let's turn it over. Okay, let's check it. We'll have to put in a kitchen towel. Okay, let's put the rest. Alright, so we done the second. So all we have to do now is the third way. So I have to use the garlic salt just to give a taste for the chicken. And you have to turn it over both sides. So I use that one. So I'm going to use now the breadcrumbs. So this is the breadcrumbs. You can use any breadcrumbs, but usually I use panko. I use the breadcrumb. Okay, the same procedure again. You have to dip in the flour. Easy for me if I use the fork. Okay, let me check first the chicken that was I'm preparing. Oh, I don't want that. This one, not gonna eat it. Okay, and you have to dip it in the egg. Look in the egg. Alright, okay. Let's check the chicken. Let's check the chicken. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is the Matsumo chicken Schnitzel. Making my way, making 3 chicken Schnitzel there. So this is the last. Okay, this is only plain, but the chicken, like have you seen before? I put only the garlic salt into the chicken because sometimes the kids they don't like any herbs or anything. Just they want only plain because they will eat with sauce anyway. I will make it the sauce for the this last. I'll make the curries like this, but I'm gonna make the sauce there for chicken katsu curry for this for the plain because the kids love the sauce for chicken katsu curry. This is the last. This is only plain breadcrumbs. Okay. Thing. Top. One. This is the one is very simple. Alright, it's done. Alright, so this is now the three chicken breast cooked. So this is the plain breadcrumbs. This one with the seeds schnitzel, and this one it's matsumo with the herbs and everything. Alright, so you can serve. I made onion rice. So this is the matzo meal chicken schnitzel with the onion rice. So this one, the plain chicken schnitzel, but I made a sauce of curry sauce with the plain rice, curry sauce with the plain schnitzel and rice. And this one, this one is the seeds chicken schnitzel. So with the onion, you can serve with onion rice and some veggie. That's it. So next time, if you're gonna subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna make my second episode will be the fish, 3 ways of fish. I'll see you next time. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.